Good afternoon, students. Students, this is your English grammar class. Get ready. Very good afternoon, Arush, Rajat, Nishi, Ayati, Navamita. Very good afternoon, Arya. Good afternoon. Okay, students, this is your English grammar class. Okay. So, get ready. Take out your English grammar book. Students, can you hear me properly? Am I audible and visible to all? What is ma'am PF? Nishi? Ma'am PF means? Oh, page number. Okay. At first tell me, in the last class, which chapter we did? Which chapter we learned? Who can tell me first? In the last class, we discussed the chapter. No, grammar. I am asking from grammar. Arush, I am asking from grammar. We were doing simple present tense. Do you remember? Yes. Who is here? Nishi. Very good. Simple present tense, chapter number 15. We were doing page number 68, chapter 15, simple present tense. Isn't it? Okay, so we have completed exercise C, question number C, isn't it? Then question number D, question number E, right, student? Show your response. Yes. Then number F, isn't it? F is completed. Just write exercise C, D, E, F. F is completed, right? Who? Arush, disconnect and rejoin. So students, just check your book and tell me. F is done, isn't it? C, D, E, F completed. So come to page number 70. Page number 70. Ready? So, number G. Solve the following puzzle with the help of the clues given below. Yes, Nishi. Now number G. So, this is a puzzle. We have to solve this. Solve the following puzzle with the help of the clues given below. Note that all the words to be filled in at the simple present tense of a verb. So we will solve the puzzle and we will make sure that we will fill the boxes with only simple present tense of a verb. Right? So you will tell me the answer, okay, students? I will ask. Number 2, at first across. Stars dash at night. Yes, who gave me first? Tamanna, very good. Number 2. Right? Write in capital. Now, number 5. Many people dash the sun as a good worship. Arya, very good. Worship, write in capital, students. Write in capital. Only Abhipsha, you wrote in capital letter. All of you, write the answer in capital letter. Let me ask, then only you will answer. Okay, let me ask first. Number 8. Don't be too fast. Let me ask, then only answer. Students, Do not answer before the question. Okay. Number 8. Snow dash on the mountain. Snow falls. Arunno. Abhipsha, only you made a mistake. Spelling mistake. You missed one L. Abhipsha, Ayati. Okay, Arunno, Arya. Hey, Arya, what you wrote? F-A-I-I-S. Aranna, write again. Tamanna, Arush, very good. Brishti, very good, but you should write in capital letter. Then Navamita. Abhipsha, later you wrote correct. Okay. So, snow falls. Next. Number 9. Nightingales dash sweetly. Nightingales dash sweetly. Arush, no, it's not song. Abhipsha, you are the first one. Very good. Abhipsha, then Nishi, Ayati, Shifa, Arya, Navamita. Brishti not sings. Brishti not sings. It is S-I-N-G, sing only. Arya, no, it's not song. The answer is not song. Then Rajot is right. Nightingales, S-I-N-G, sing. Right? Brishti, write in capital letter. Arya, give me the right answer. Arya, give me the right answer. In capital letter, Arya. Brishti, right. Arya. Shefa, right. Arya, right. Very good. Now, number 10. Our teachers dash us very well. Our teachers dash us very well. Our teacher the first one, let me see. The first one, Arush, very good. Arush, then Navamita, then Ayati, then Abhipsha, Nishi Samazdar, then Arya, Shefa, Aranno, Kanan, Anushka. Almost all the students are correct. Tamanna, Brishti, teach, T-E-S-C-H, because our teachers, plural number, that's why T-E-S-C-H. Brishti, write again. Then Rajot, yes, Brishti, teach. Okay. Now, down. The teacher, don't give me answer fast. Navamita, no. The teacher dash, let me ask the question, then answer. The teacher dash the name of every child. Knows. Yes. All of you gave me right answer. Knows. Number 1. Next, number 3. Sachin dash the ball very hard. Number 3. Sachin, this time Arush is the first one. Arush, then Navamita, Arya. Arya, what you wrote? H-I-T-S, no, H-I-T, no. Arunno, write in capital letter. Brishti, capital letter. Shefa, hits. Brishti, hits. Okay. H-I-T-S, hits. Rajo, Tamanna, then Abhipsha, Brishti, then Arya. Arya, write in capital letter. Hits. Next, number 3. It was number 3. Then number 4. An aeroplane dash high in the sky. Again, Arush, wait for me. Let me ask the question. An aeroplane dash high in the sky. Flies. Yes. Tamanna. Spelling FLI. Okay. FLI. Yes. Kanan, what is this? FL in capital letter and IES small letter. Write in capital. Okay. Write again, Kanan. And Tamanna, write again. Kanan right, Brishti right. Okay. Tamanna right. Yes. Okay. So next is we dash our school at 8 a.m. This time Abhipsha. Abhipsha is the first one. Then Abhipsha, then Navamita, then Arush, Aranna, Ayati, Brishti, Shefa, Nishi. Very good. Arya, yes, Rajat. We reach. Okay. Next. Number 7. The sun dash in the east. The sun rises. Arush, very good. Then Aranno, Abhipsha, Tamanna. Tamanna capital letter. Navamita, Nishi rises. R-I-S-E-S. Write again, Nishi. Tamanna, write again. Another one, Brishti, capital letter. Write in capital letter. Write again. Okay, Anushka, write in capital letter. Next, number 7. The sun dash in the east. The sun rises in the east, isn't it? Next, number 8. Our soldiers, number 8. Our soldiers dash bravely. Our soldiers fight bravely. Okay. If you write our soldiers, you cannot write fought. Why? Because simple present tense. We should fill up the boxes with simple present tense. That's why we will write only fight. Shefa is the first one. This time Shefa, then Rajat, then Nishi, Abhipsha, Ayati, Brishti. Okay. Krishika, Abhipsha, why no? Abhipsha, why no? Navamita, no ma'am. Shifa is not first. Oh, Arun, no. Acha, okay. No. Abhipsha. That time suddenly Shifa, her name came first suddenly. But this time Abhipsha. Okay, Abhipsha, yes, you are the first one. That's why you wrote no. Okay. Abhipsha, yes, you are the first one. Number 8. Our soldiers fight. It's okay. So students, this one is done. Next, come to page number 71. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So we will fill in the blanks with the simple present tense, because this chapter is about simple present tense. Tamanna, don't show your book right now. So the ostrich, who is now found only in some African countries, is number 8, page number 71. 8 is. The ostrich, who is now found only in some African countries, is the largest living bird. It cannot fly, but its powerful legs, Navamita, powerful legs, plural number, that's why carry, Abhipsha, not carries, not carries, its powerful legs carry, see it, only Shefa is right, and then Abhipsha is also right, Ayati right, Krishika, then Nishi, so right, carry. Its powerful legs carry it at an amazing speed of about 50 km an hour. It uses, yes Navamita, it uses its feet, it uses its feet to defend itself. If it is, again Navamita, hey, who is Aranno, spelling mistake is there, uses. So if it is unable, to get away from its enemy, the ostrich is a tall bird. Ostrich is a tall bird. It, then tell me, Abhipsha, yes Abhipsha, it stands. It stands almost 2 feet taller than an average man. Then it has, Navamita first, then Abhipsha, Ayati, Shefa, Rajot, Tamanna have, no, it has, Tamanna write again, Ayati has, Tamanna write again, Ayati write again, has, Arush, Krishika, Aranna, then Nishi, all are correct. Nishi, correct. Tamanna, yes, has. Okay. It stands almost 2 feet taller than an average man. It has only 2 toes. It has. The head, neck and legs are. The head, neck and legs are plural number. Tamanna, Kanan, plural number. Are. Aranno, are, A-R-E. Krishika, A-R-E, are. Write again. Aranno, A-R-E. Are. The head, neck and legs are almost bare. Oh, Vipsha, let me see. Okay. Ayati, you are the first one. You wrote at first, you wrote R, A-R-E-R. Shefa, A-R-E, write again. Abhipsha, you are the third one, okay? Then Krishika, A-R-E. Kanan, A-R-E. R. Then Arunno, R, A-R-E-R. Next. Ostriches, dash, chiefly. Ostriches, leave. Ostriches, leave. Navamita, L-I-V-E, leave. First correct answer, Arunno. Arunno wrote leave, L-I-V-E. Navamita, write again, L-I-V-E. Shefa, L-I-V-E. Krishika, write. Abhipsha, why no? Write L-I-V-E. What happened? Abhipsha, don't think of first or second. Okay? What happened, Krishika? Ostriches live chiefly on. Ostriches live. Krishika, why no ma'am? Krishika, give me answer. Ostriches live. Ostriches, plural number. Understood? Krishika, plural number. That's why live, L-I-V-E. Ostriches live chiefly on fruits, grains, leaves, snails and insects. They swallow. Yes, swallow. Krishika, ostriches, plural number. That's why live. Look at the first sentence. The ostrich, there it is singular number, which is now singular number, now found only in some African countries, is the largest living bird. It cannot fly, but its powerful legs carry it at an amazing speed of about 50 km an hour. It uses singular number, it uses its feet, singular number, its, to defend itself if it is unable to get away from its enemy. The ostrich is a tall bird, singular number. Krishika, are you hearing? Are you listening? It stands, singular number, almost 2 feet taller than an average man. It has only 2 toes. The head, neck and legs are almost bare. Then comes ostriches, right? Okay. Okay, Krishika, right. Ostriches live chiefly on fruits, grains, leaves, snails and insects. They swallow. They swallow, that means they don't chew. They swallow small stones. They don't chew small stones. They swallow small stones to grind their food with. People, now tell me, people dash ostriches. People raise, yes. People raise ostriches for their feathers. Okay? So, people, plural number or singular number? Plural. That's why raise. People raise. So, I repeat. The ostrich, which is now found only in some African countries, is the largest living bird. It cannot fly, but its powerful legs carry it at an amazing speed of about 50 km an hour. It uses its feet to defend itself if it is unable to get away from its enemy. The ostrich is a tall bird. It stands almost 2 feet taller than an average man. It has only 2 toes. The head, neck and legs are almost bare. Ostriches live chiefly on fruits, grains, leaves, snails and insects. They swallow small stones to grind their food with. People raise ostriches for their feathers. Which one? I don't know. People raise ostriches for their feathers. They swallow small stones to grind their food with. Okay, you understood? Now people raise ostriches for their feathers because their feathers are used for home decoration and very decorative thing. Okay, that's why people raise ostriches only for their feathers. Understood? Or no? Understood? Okay. So students, today up to this. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Oh, same problem. Okay students, bye.